Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing another set of press-ons, which I've been absolutely loving, and they're going to be simple, cute, black coffin nails with just a little something extra. And I'm going to be trying a couple of polishes out of my 100-piece Rosalind kit that I never got to try yet. I didn't swatch them, but I just couldn't hold back from finally trying them out. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to use, and we're going to get right into it. Okay, so this is the Rosalind mini gel nail polish set. It has 100 pieces in here. I'm going to do another video on this at some point in the very near future, but this is what it looks like in here. It's so beautiful. So I pulled out a black and a gray because I just really wanted to try those, but this is what we're looking like. And again, I'm going to use this many more times and do like a full review, and I'm gonna let you know if it is worth it. So like I said, I took out a gray and a black, and I'm going to be using these Coffin Nails, which are from TEMU, and I have to say these are really nice. You get 480 in here. They honestly remind me so much of these. Like just the feel of them, which is super crazy because those were like $4 and these were like $30. So I'm gonna let you in on the scoop on how those are once we get to painting, but it feels like they're really good quality. Like I said, these are minis. They're really cute though. So we have a gray and a black. We got our nail tips. I'm just going to put them on my stands and we're going to get going. I already pre-buffed. I like to buff my nails off camera just to save time, but these are really nice. I'm guessing, what would I say? I guess they're long. These are long coffins. That's a really nice nail. And I'm really excited just to do some simple, not girly nails for once. And I did already do the one hand off camera. And this black, guys, this is my favorite black I've used so far. Like, it's really good. It's super pigmented. Should I show you the nails? Or will that ruin the surprise? They're just simple. I'm gonna show them to you. Like, there's just something about full black nails to me. And then I did a little blooming gel design with a bat. So we're gonna do that on this hand. And I just want you to see how nice this black is. So yeah, these are very simple, but I'm going to love wearing these because I've been dying for some black nails. So I'm just going to do the same exact thing that I did on the other hand to this hand. I'm not going to switch anything up. So the middle finger is going to be the blooming gel nail. Like, look at how nice this black is. I did do 2 coats, honestly just for strength, but this is a pretty opaque black. I'm really happy about it. I didn't know how good it was gonna be, but it's really nice. I wish the bottle was bigger, but that's okay. Now I know that Rosalind polishes are really good. This was my first time trying them, so yeah. And I was gonna do like more crazy, like more charms and stuff, but once I got started, I was just really appreciating the simplicity of the nails, and just like, I want to enjoy some black nails. Like, I don't want to take away from it, if that makes sense. So how are you guys doing? Let me know down below. How's the weather by you? Is it nice out? These are so smooth. I love this black. Oh my gosh. And I had absolutely no problems curing. Obviously, I'm trying to make the layer thin and as even as possible because I don't want any issues, but this black is playing really nice. Really nice. And these nails, I'm telling you, like I said in the intro, they remind me of a prey. A lot. But probably better. Because I don't necessarily love a prey. Personally, I've never made a set of press-ons with them, but I'm going to. But when I use them for Gel X, I don't know. I don't get good lasting power. The nails are really nice. They feel nice. The shape is nice. But they just don't last. Like, I get other nails to last. But those, I don't know what the problem is. But I'm going to try them as press-ons and see. So this is the gray. It's a really nice, opaque, cool-toned gray. I love that. And like I said, I'm going to do 2 coats of everything. Just to be safe and just to give the nails some extra strength. And I'm just going to take, before I cure them, one of these little things and clean up around the cuticle in case I spilled anything inside. But I always cure my press-ons upside down at the end as well. So here's what one coat looks like. I'm going to cure this for a minute. And I guess I'll do the second coat off camera. And then we'll do the little blooming gel addition. Okay, so here's what they're looking like with the 2 coats. Look how nice and opaque and absolutely gorgeous that is. So now we're going to work on the middle finger blooming gel design. I'm going to do it exactly like this one. It's kind of hard to see. So I'm going to take a base coat. I'm using this one from Savvyland because it's one I have opened. And I don't have a real blooming gel, but this works just fine. So you can totally use a base coat. So let's just take this off of there. I'm just going to do a nice thin layer and then put some black dots on it and let it bloom out. What's your favorite blooming gel, if you have one? What's your top recommendation? And does it work any better than this base coat trick? Because I feel like this works really well. But am I missing out? Let me know. So same black from the ROSALIND set. And how did I do that? I just went in like a little S position. It's not going to be exactly the same, but it'll be close enough. And then I'm just going to give that a second to spread out. And it's that easy. Another little second. Okay. I think I'm happy with that. I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds. And I'm just going to top coat these black ones so they're all ready to go. I'm still using this one till it's gone. So this will go in the big lamp for 60 seconds, and now we can top coat that one. Okay, so we're good to go. Look how cute that is. It's kind of dark to see on camera. You can see it now, I think. Really pretty, really simple. So I'm gonna take my rhinestone glue and put a blob, and then I'm gonna put my little bat on. Which side do I want to put it on? This one. And I like to put a bit extra, and then you can always like clean it up with a little alcohol on a brush if you need to. Like, I'm gonna take this flat brush and dip it in some alcohol, just a bit, and I'm just gonna smooth out any blobby parts a little bit. Pretty good. Move over a bit. I'm gonna cure him for 60 seconds, and I'm gonna top coat one more time, just because I don't know why I do it like that. That's just how I do it. Ah, look how cute. I love it. I love it so much. So let's get a look at them. I know these are super simple, but you know, this is my channel, and I'm going to thoroughly enjoy wearing these. Why does that look like that? Shit. But yes, very simple, very pretty. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, consider subscribing to my channel. Guys, I love you, and I'll see you in the next one.